So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find background intelligent transfer service. You're going to double click on it. Change your startup type to manual. And then change your service status to stopped. So click on stop. And then click on apply. And click on OK. So make sure that the startup type is on manual. And that the service status has been stopped. And then click on OK. And then once you've done that, you're going to click on any service one time. And then click on W on your keyboard. Now you're going to scroll down until you find Windows Update. Here it is. You're going to double click on it. Change your startup type to manual. And then click on stop. Which will then make the startup type manual and service status stopped. And then click on apply. And click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again. And type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and click on this PC. And then you're going to find a drive that has Windows installed on it. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. You're going to double click on it. And then click on Windows. And then scroll down till you find Software Distribution. Scroll down until you find Software Distribution. You're going to double click on this. And then click on Download. You want to delete everything that's in this folder. So you're going to do Control A on your keyboard. And then click on Delete. You're going to take Delete for current items. And then click on Continue. Delete everything in this folder. And now you're going to head back into services. You're going to find background intelligent transfer service again. Double click on it. Change your startup type to automatic delayed start. Click on OK. And then click on W on your keyboard again. Scroll down again till you find Windows Update. Double click on it. Change your startup type to automatic. And then click on OK. Now you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.